you know, those things. Imagine receiving a car for free.
Wow.
For example, you are working in a company and you're performing well, and the company decides to give you a car for free. No any down payment, nothing, just for free because they appreciate your goodness, or they just give you the car for free because they have maybe many cars, you know. So imagine being the one receiving the car. Of course, masaya po tayo. We are joyful because meron na po tayo mga gamit for daily transport and everything. And then, after receiving the car, because you are excited, you just forget about the manual. You just throw the manual because you already have the car. You have the idea how to drive the car. And then later on, as you drive the car, maybe after a few months, maybe let's say a year, you suddenly notice na parang there's something in the car na hindi niyo maganda. Yung parang may sira. After a year, then starts some damage in the engine because when you use the car, parang ginamit mo na siya na para-para na walang pag-iingat, without any care for its parts, without any lubrication in some parts, without any maintenance. So just using the car, that's it really. In here, as you can see naman, the instruction, the manual is just throwing it like it's not important. I have the car, that's it. But in our faith, actually mga kapatid, if we relate it to our salvation, this car, or the gift that we receive, this is the salvation that we receive from Yeshua. Ngayon, binigyan na sa atin, we are baptized in His name, we believe in Him, and we receive the salvation. This is free. This is not like you work for it, you made yourself super righteous. No, it's not like that. No, it was a gift given by Abba Yahweh because He loves us, because He wants to save us for free through the blood of Yeshua the Messiah. That is the car. That is the gift. And then along with the gift, Abba Yahweh already have a manual. No? May manual how to use the gift safely and effectively. Just like the car, with the manual, you will know how to take care of it, how to prolong it, so that when you use it, you can drive it safely. Ganun din po sa atin. We are living the new life given to us by Yahweh through Yeshua, and how to live it safely, how to live it wonderfully,